Alright. Here we go. I'm alone. Completely alone on the ride by myself. Oh. There's nobody else in here.
And Molly, you be careful because I got a weak back. Weak back now.
The horse. Uh-oh. Here we go. Going to nowhere.
On fire! Somebody get a hold of it over here, quick!
Uh-oh. Something's on fire, they say.
It looks like you been using that speed train.
Uh-oh. We're going into nowhere. Oh, I don't like this guy. Everything's on fire in here. Oh no. We're creeping up the mountain here. So I just got done riding Blazin Fury. Very nice people here. Sorry about all the movement. Max is wrapping up my legs. But it was definitely an experience. It's a fun ride. Not expecting the drops that are in there, but it was really fun. But yeah, this is really definitely worth the trip. Nice, fun experience. Here's the scenery of the ride here. So beautiful here. Everything's so nice. We basically have the park to ourselves today because literally I was the only one on the ride. There was nobody else on the ride. Which kind of made it a little, I don't know, a little scarier, I think you'd call it. But definitely a fun ride. Yeah, you can see I'm wearing my Caltrans jacket today because that's the only jacket I had in the back of the truck. And it was definitely a fun experience. And yeah. Oh, hold on. Hold on, she wants to see something.
Ready?
Wow, really? Wow. You guys are gonna love that. That's even better than the ride. Anyway, I just thought I got a video of the ride inside of me going on the ride.
I do, but they really told me to leave with caution, so I didn't do it.
But I'll post that so you can see the ride. So anyway, I'm going to shut this off now and walk my way back down the mountain. That's definitely a little bit of a hike up here. But I guess they said the ride was 39 years it's been there?
49, I think.
No, 39 years.
Oh, okay.
That's the oldest ride in the park, which is kind of scary. But definitely a fun ride. Fun ride.
That was our day at Dollywood.
Oh, there's birds. Hold on, there's some birds over here. Ooh.
Max close. Oh, hold on, you go close.
Hold on. I can't. Hold on. Ooh, look. Look what I'm looking at. Watch. Hi, guys. Pretty birdies. Look. Here's a northern raven. Hi. Quote the raven. And we have Harris Hawk. Hi, Harris Hawk. Pretty guy. Yeah, pretty guy. Hi, pretty guy. Oh yeah, he's a little shy, it looks like. Then we have another Harris Hawk. Yeah, he's pretty. Let's see. Let's see. This is a barn owl. Oh, it's pretty. It looks like he's looking right in the camera. He's looking through your soul. Ooh, what's that? He's cool. He's a cool guy. And then here we have the red-tailed hawk. He's big. He looks grumpy. We're not gonna bother him. This one's making a lot of noise. Hi. 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 It's an African pied grove. Yeah. Wow, he's cool. And a black vulture. He's a black vulture. He's creepy looking. You're creepy looking, aren't you? Yeah. And he's not in there. Here is Elvis. A crested caracara bird. I think I'm pronouncing that right. He's pretty too. Look at that. Look at him. And the last one, let's see. Nope, he's not in there. That was a golden eagle, but he's not in there. Oh well. So much cool stuff here to see. If you're ever in, I think this is Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. You should stop by and definitely stop by and pay this place a visit. Very, very fun place to be.
I'm gonna go see.
Anyway, all right, I'm gonna head my way back down there. They're giving a show of the birds right now. Let's see. Oh, there's the eagle. That's the eagle that was missing.
But why am I calling Abraham a bald eagle?
He just pooped. What's
He
a bald
has
eagle?
feathers on the top of his head. He's not bald. Bald refers to an old English word that simply means white-headed. The head and tail feathers become white at about 5 years of age. Prior to this, they're an all brownish color like the rest of their body, indicating immaturity. This bird's other name is the American eagle. It's been our nation's symbol since 1782.
A lot of history here.
North America, they live by large rivers, lakes, and oceans, where they can hunt for their favorite food, fish. The lovely waterfowl, various mammals.
This place is so pretty. Have a little waterfall that runs over your head. I know I keep saying I'm going to go, but there's so much stuff to see here, and half of it's closed. That's a sad part. But it's still more to see. You need to spend at least a good 2 days in this park to really be able to see everything. It's just it's a big park. Yeah, so beautiful here. Anyway, but this time I'm really gonna go. I'm gonna walk down there and I'll get back to you guys in a minute. Bye.